G'day there, it's Glenn here from Your Next Car and Office, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2015 Hilux manual SR dual cab. Loaded with heaps of extras. I've tried to take as many photos on the website to give you a really good description of the unit itself, but as you'll see from the photos, it has got a load of goodies on it, being this year with those stuff you'll see mentioned in the ad, and also with our video and photos of which we're doing today as well. So as you see, TGM Snorkel fitted to this vehicle. It also has the TGM steel bull bar and also the scrub rails fitted to the vehicle as well. So really good quality scrub rails. Side steps are in good order, and TGM is a really good quality bull bar as well. Coming around the front end of the vehicle, does have a winch, also driving lights fitted. Again, your TGM bull bar. Just a great looking ute with extras. It's probably the best thing about these Hilux. When they've got a lot of extras on there, they normally don't last too long. So coming along the passenger side, again your scrub rails, which again are the TGM. Really clean condition of the vehicle itself. Body wise, really clean up to your bonnet. Condition of the paintwork is phenomenal. Again, I will confirm the Ks as we head around the car itself, and I think from what I can see there, it does have window tint fitted also as well. Coming to your body section on your front passenger door, I'll try and get the sun out of the way if I can. Again, your door condition is fantastic. And then coming to your rear door on your driver's side, in really good condition as well. Best thing about this one, it does have a genuine tray, or not a genuine tray, a fabricated tray that's been done. From memory, it was done by, I'll come back down here, KTM's Customs in New South Wales, so really good quality tray. It does have the built-in water tank, which I'll show you as we walk around, and it does have the left and rear toolbox, lower toolbox in the tray as well, so really good quality tray. Again, your header board with the rear lights. Really good quality tray. Wouldn't have been a cheap one, I wouldn't believe. You're probably looking $3.5 to $4 grand in just a tray alone, if not more. Coming to the back end of the car, again, tow bars fitted, and the back of your tray, really clean condition. I will take you back to the hose points, and it does have an upgraded suspension as well, so really good suspension and drives very well for this age, and those Ks drives very, very well. Coming along the tray on the driver's side, again, really clean condition. You will see your hose, so it does have a built-in tank, so you do have your inlet for your hose, so putting the water into the tank, and the outlet, or the secondary one, which is just run by the levers, either water in or water out, so really good quality. So they've thought through that very well for the tray for water usage. So if you do have a farm and such, you do have your water tank built into that upgraded tray as well. Back to your side step again on your driver's side, and door condition with paintwork, again really clean condition. But folks, it's all about the extra. So Snorkel, which is TGM bull bar with your Snorkel, TGM side scrub rails, again your upgraded suspension, your fabricated tray, can't even talk today, fabricated tray, and also your water in and water out tank scenario with that one as well. Through the interior, again, really condition of the ute is in great order. Again, I will confirm the Ks as I get into the front end of the vehicle, but as you see, rubber floor mats fitted. But condition wise of the ute, even though it's 2015 with it 250,000 Ks, it is in great condition interior wise as well. But just perfect for that first 4x4. Again, manuals are getting really hard to find in these, so if you're looking for a manual, don't leave it long. We don't get a lot of them in manual, and the last couple we've had in stock have sold within days, so really good quality manuals in the Hiluxes as well, but again, hard to come by. We'll open the driver's door, just to show through the driver's door section as well. I think I've got the key in my pocket, hopefully. So we'll show the interior wise in a tick, and I'll jump in the car and start it up again in a tick. And there's your driver's door card. Again, your rubber floor mat. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. Just we've had a bit of rain the last day or so, so that's just my dirty footprints when hopping in and out. Again, interior wise presents really, really well. In great condition. And I'll jump inside and we'll start it up just so you can get the correct Ks and show you the features interior wise as well. And we'll start that ute up. Alright, so we'll start him up. Alright, so current kilometres as you speak, hopefully that's going to be nice and clear for you to see. I'll try and block that sun out if I can. We'll turn the volume down. It is 258,550, so really good kilometres. Steering wheel is your controls for your Bluetooth, your volume control for your stereo system. Again, your cruise control to the right hand side of the steering wheel. We'll just turn that volume down on the stereo a little bit. So your standard stereo system, again reverse, when you select reverse, you got your reverse camera, it comes up automatically. Again, Bluetooth is standard. Air conditioning and heating, and just your UHF radio beneath there also as well. and then back to your 6-speed manual transmission, which is the best thing about this being a 6-speed manual. Again, to engage reverse, all the way over to your left to engage reverse. You'll hear it beep, and then the reverse camera will come up. So just remember, you do go all the way across to engage reverse, and then if you want first, just do it long, and then you're back into first. So really easy scenario to get reverse, but it is the 6-speed manual transmission. But just a tip with your reverse, get that all the way across to engage reverse. But like I said earlier in the video, it's all about the extras. So TGM full bar, also scrub rails, TGM snorkel, your fabricated tray with the built-in water tank, so you've got in and outlets for the water. You do have your trundle drawer, which you'll see in the photos on the website as well. I didn't do it on the video, but it does have a trundle drawer fitted as well, and just your lower 2 toolboxes on the back of the tray, left hand and right hand side as well. Winch, lights, upgraded suspension. So it does have a lot of goodies, folks. If you have any questions moving forward in relation to this Hilux or anything else have in stock, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at Your Next Car and Officer. But hopefully we've found the right car for you. Have a great day.